In 8.5 minutes, we went from 0 kilometers of altitude to 200 kilometers. Case scenario, and so in 8.5 minutes, it is, when I say we are in orbit, it's just a statement. But when I tell you that in 8.5 minutes, we went from 0 kilometers of altitude to 200 kilometers, we also went from 0 kilometers per hour to 28,500 kilometers per hour. That is the kind of speed that you navigate, right? It is a lot. वो बाहर से, when I've also seen rocket launch, it doesn't look like it is fast, but it is phenomenally fast.
So what happens is acceleration 28,000 किलोमीटर पर आवर इज लाइक शायद 20 बार बॉम्बे दिल्ली या मे बी मोर, राइट? 8 मिनट में आपने बॉम्बे दिल्ली 20 बार कर लिया, लाइक दिस समथिंग लाइक दैट.
Yeah, if you give an analogy,
It's that intense.
Yes, it is intense.
28,000 किलोमीटर पर आवर अगर आपकी बॉडी उस स्पीड में है तो क्या होता है? ब्रेन आप देख पाते हो, लाइक इज योर आईज, सो लाइक आर योर आईज ओपन, इज योर ब्रेन लैक, क्या होता है?
सो एक्सेलरेशन इज वेयर द फोर्स इज फेल्ट, जहाँ पे आपकी बॉडी फील करती है वो फोर्सेस. सो you start building up 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, and you go up to 5G के आसपास. Maximum figure is what you are supposed to experience. But 5G means that you are lying on your back in the capsule. So it is being felt on your chest. So it is as if somebody is pushing you back in your seat. Your chest is compressed, your lungs are compressed. So you cannot actively breathe through your lungs. You have to breathe through your stomach, जिसकी मतलब ट्रेनिंग होती है जो हम लोग प्रैक्टिस में ग्राउंड पे. Your head gets pushed back. Your eyes feel as if they are going inside. ये सारे forces जो positive acceleration की वजह से आपको feel होते हैं. Now उस time पे if you have to press a button, you have to raise your hand against the G. So your hand, which normally you can raise conveniently, but under 5G it becomes 5 times heavier. So it takes that much of effort to just raise your hand and take it to a particular button and operate it. So all these are things that are practice, that are trained, you are taught, but you live through that and then you eventually land up in space. And also this is not the worst possible case. And the worst possible case would be if something goes wrong during launch, you have to abort. And during abort, in the worst case scenario, I'm talking about 5G, your body may be experienced to 18 Gs. So that is what is going to be something significant. It is at 18 Gs. If I may give an analogy, which I've tried to put in the book as well, that it feels like a baby. It would be akin to a baby elephant sitting on your chest. That is the kind of force you would feel. So it is not for a long time, it is for a short duration only, but you will be exposed to that kind.
And उस force में mind clear operate कर.
You should be, ideally that is how your condition should be, if that happens. But since it is for a very short duration, even if it passes, then you come back and then you do things. But yes, your ability to function under such conditions should be retained. That is what the aim is of the training as well.
And something happens to you here.
We have a fluid, और orientation triad जो है उसकी वजह से inner ear में there is a fluid that governs our sense of balance and orientation and everything, and it is susceptible to these inertia, momentum जो भी है. So ये शुरुआत तो लॉन्च के टाइम पे हो. There are 2 stages. जैसे फर्स्ट स्टेज कट ऑफ होती है तो फॉर अ ब्रीफ पीरियड आप अगर लेट्स से 2.5 G पे हैं and suddenly that cut off happens, so you come back from 2.5 G to just 1 G, or maybe the minimal G that you are experiencing, lesser than 1 G also, because you are kind of falling at that, so there is no force on you. So the fluid, it goes sloshing in your ear. So the feeling that I remember I got when this happened was that as if I'm tumbling, I'm somersaulting and I'm going forward. Balki I'm strapped in my seat, I'm sitting there, but this is a very strong feeling that you get, that you are kind of tumbling forward and going. Same thing happens when you reach space.